Your product gets closer to your customers when it starts far from you. Behind every product there is a journey, and behind every journey, people who make it possible. Every day starts here, where your supply chain breathes and moves. This place never stops, and neither do we. Here in China, your visual content begins before your product even reaches your country. We receive your products directly from your suppliers, so you lose no time. We take care of every detail, even before turning on the camera. From clean white background images to creative scenes, we capture every detail that makes your brand stand out. Our homes, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom create real moments that connect with your customers.
We love helping brands tell their story.
And we are proud to do it from the heart of China.
We are a multicultural team, understanding your goals and also your challenges. D2P Studio, your product photography and video team based in China, from your suppliers to the world.